I dedicate today's video to a friend and to a fellow mariner, Captain Sandeep Kalia. He passed away in Delhi. He was just 51. COVID has taught us a lot of principles and a lot of lessons. One of them is do not sweat the small stuff. We have to understand to live our life in gratitude, because no matter what you're doing at this moment, there is somebody who was doing it and he passed away at that time. While eating, while sleeping, while in the toilet, while exercising, while sitting on the laptop, talking to friends and family. So let's be in gratitude and take this as a positive note and commit to ourselves to enjoy our life no matter where we are, no matter what we are doing. Because life is meant to be lived with confidence. Today I will share with you the 5 tips on how to build confidence. Number 1, confidence comes by practice. It is a learned skill and you can attain it. Just like lack of confidence is a learned skill. You have learned to be fearful and you have learned to be living a small life. You can unlearn that and you can learn how to be strong and confident. Number 2 is self-sabotaged. You'll be surprised to note that 80% of the people in this world are their own biggest enemy. Your subconscious is your biggest hurdle. If you do not learn to forgive yourself and move ahead in life, the whole world can forgive you, but your subconscious will never. This is called self-buchalis. Apni khud ki le lena. Don't laugh, because 80% of you are doing this to yourself. Health checks. The mind will always play games, but the body never lies. If you want to build your confidence, always assess what is your body talking to you? How is your body language? What are you feeling at this moment? What illnesses are you going through? What is that bodily function which changes when you are in lack of confidence? Number 4 is humor. If you do not know how to laugh at yourself, the whole world will laugh at you. So learn to be cool and learn to be easy in your life. Don't take yourself so seriously that nobody else will. And lastly is the laws of the universe. If you do not run your life according to the laws of the universe, you will reach a burnout. If a ship does not use the tide to come alongside, then she will overuse her engines and she will struggle to be going against the tide. Similarly, there are a lot of laws which you need to understand and allow them to be a guide for you and allow them to let you become confident in life. I will be discussing all these tips more in detail in the upcoming webinar. If you are somebody who is keen on changing your destiny, but only if you are an action taker, then go to the link below and register for this webinar, which is on 13th of May, 7:30 p.m. If you have missed the previous 3 sessions on this, then the recordings of these are available only for a limited time on the link below. So don't miss this session, because this is the 4th and the last of the series of the session called How to Be Confident Like a Captain. See you there.